Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be cooking bitter leaf soup. This is what I will be using. In here I have cocoyam and I have bunga fish that I wash. I take the bone out. I have stockfish, I have beef, cow meat, turkey and goat meat is already mixed here. I have cow leg, I have mangin to taste, I have crayfish that I blended, I have bitter leaf is washed, catfish is here, it's already washed, I take the bone out, and I have fish that I roasted and pepper and onions. Guys, let's get started. Next one is to add in salt. After that you have to add in onions. After that we have to add in our mangin and starfish and stir. Next one is to cover to cook about 5 minutes to steam. After 5 minutes we have to add in this water. Here is meat water. I use it to parboil our cow leg. The water was not enough. I have to add in another water that will be enough for us to cook the soup. After that, we have to add in our smoked fish that we smoked earlier before. Next, I forget to add in our bunga fish, so I have to add it again. Next one is to add in our oil in our blended pepper with onions. After that, we have to add in our crayfish and our cow leg. Why I didn't add it together with the meat, because the cow leg is already cooked, so guys, you don't need overcook cow leg. After adding the cow leg, we have to stir and cover to cook about 10 minutes. Next one is to blend our cocoyam. Guys, I was offline while I was blending cocoyam. So after that, we have to add in our cocoyam. This cocoyam, I cooked it before because I watched it on YouTube how you will cook cocoyam before blending so that the cocoyam will be sweet. Guys, guess what? This is my first day of cooking bitter leaf soup. I have never cooked this type of soup is already I just cooked it for my husband. Guess what? My husband likes this soup, guys. I think I try. Even guys, anybody that is able that will see this soup will know that I did my best to cook this soup. It's my first time and it come out perfectly, guys. Please like this video for me and don't forget to share this video wherever you are seeing it from. So it's good to learn different things. You don't just base on learning one thing, because you know in my place this is not how we cook our bitter leaf. Our bitter leaf, we blend it as if you are blending tomatoes. So it will be blend. Now after that, after adding the bitter leaf, you have to stir and allow it to cook about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, look at the soup. Look at how lovely and yummy the food is, guys. I wanted to cook small soup. I end up cooking many soup. Have you seen what I have?